Hi! So this is a makeup look for today. Yes, I'm back with a makeup tutorial, wow. So I thought I would do this kind of pumpkin-y vibes kind of eye look today. I did say it in the video, but I just want to do a few different toned looks for like autumn, fall, whatever. So this is the first one that I'm going to do for sure. I'm going to do some more definitely, but I wanted this one to be more of like a softer glam, a bit more of an everyday one, but it ended up being pretty yeah. So if you want to see how I did it, then subscribe if you want to, give the video a thumbs up as well, and that's it. I am actually so excited to film this video. I feel like I haven't filmed a makeup tutorial in like 5 years, so I'm here for it. I'm excited, I'm ready. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna get straight into it. I've done my brows already. I'm gonna zoom in, don't worry. And I think we're gonna start off with the eyes because they're pretty interesting, I think. And I'm excited. I'm actually ready for like autumn and winter. Well, I mean, it's already autumn now, but I'm like ready for winter, which is, I don't think I've ever said that in my entire life, so I'll probably regret it when it actually becomes to winter. I'm just going to put some eye cream on under my eyes first. I've done my brows and I've set them because, you know, I never do my brows on camera. So I'm just using the Kiehls avocado eye treatment under my eyes quickly. So actually, I'm not really sure what kind of colour, well, I do roughly because I've chosen the palette that I'm going to use. I like want to do like 2 or maybe 3 different like autumn looks, so I don't know which one to do today. I might do a more chilled, like more of an everyday one, and then do like another full glam one at some point. So I think I'm just gonna speed through the eyes to show you what I'm doing instead of talking through and wasting time, and then when I do the face I will come back and talk to you. So I've kind of gone for like a pumpkin spice latte vibes. That's what we're going for, I think. And yeah, that's what I've kind of gone for. It's like orange and a bit of like a yellowy gold in the middle. I like layered 2 of the golds on top. And you know what? It's pumpkin vibes, that's fine. I'm gonna finish the rest of the eyes off. So I'm just gonna use a Colourpop cream gel liner in Mr. Bing. It's just a brown one. I'm just gonna use this to tightline both top and bottom. I'm gonna do a bit of liner on the top, but then I don't really want to ruin it. You know what, we're gonna do it. Just curl my lashes. Use the Colourpop BFF mascara. I'm just gonna use the black one. Okay, I know I was like, yeah, this is gonna be a nice, easy, simple, everyday look. Maybe not. Okay, so let's move on to the skin now. Hopefully we can keep the skin a bit more simple, seeing as the eyes ended up being pretty... Okay, so to prime my skin, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Glow Up Primer Serum. I haven't used this in a while. Okay, let's move on to foundation. So I think I'm just going to use my Physicians Formula, the Healthy Foundation. I don't want anything too heavy, seeing as the eyes, you know, that happened. Okay, so that's foundation done. For concealer, I'm going to use the Flower concealer. I'm just going to set my under eyes with some loose powder. Okay, who am I honestly trying to kid that this isn't like a full glam look? Because this is just full. I literally can't not use the Charlotte Tilbury pressed face powder. I literally just can't do my makeup without using it these days. Since I bought it, I'm literally obsessed with it. It literally just airbrushes your skin, and you know, it's literally called that. So I'm just going to pop that over top, pretty much where I just powdered with the loose powder, because I don't think this like fully like sets your under eyes. Like, well, I can't anyway. I can't use it to set because my under eyes will still crease. I need like a loose powder. I'm going to use the Morphe Brontour in Celebutante. I haven't used this in so long and I used to love this. And for blush, I'm going to use the Essence Matte Touch blush in Bronze Me Up. It's just really nice nude. Then for highlight, I don't want to add too much, so I'm just going to use the Beauty Bakery Delicate Highlight Palette, and I think I'm just going to use this gold here. I feel like I don't really need to do that. I just used the Jeffree Star lip liner in Leo, but I'm going to use two Colourpop. I'm going to use a matte and then a ultra glossy lip. I will leave the name of this one in the... I've got everything in the description box anyway, but I can't say the name. I think it's in Spanish and I don't want to butcher it. And then I wanted to do something a bit glossy, so I'm going to use the Colourpop Ultra Glossy Lip in Moonchild. Okay, so that is it. That's all the makeup done. I actually feel really good just wearing a lot of makeup. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my first autumn, fall, whatever you want to call it, makeup look. I'm definitely going to do some more. This was supposed to be the more toned down one, so we're going to do an even more fuller glam one than this. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video.